It begins in utter obscurity, a solitary seed buried in the delta soil, holding the blueprint for a global ecological pivot. Within 5 months, the landscape transforms. 3 meters of vertical velocity, a towering canopy engineered entirely by monsoon rains and pure sunlight. When the time comes, it is harvested not by heavy machinery, but by the precise rhythmic choreography of generational muscle memory. Submerged in the slow-moving waters of the delta, nature performs a silent alchemy. Microbes gently dismantle the plant, unlocking the incredible tensile strength hidden deep within. Then, the unveiling. Raw bark yields to pure liquid gold. A fiber stronger than synthetic polymers, yet entirely carbon negative. Sun-cured, washed, and refined. A highly versatile textile manufactured not by factories, but by the earth itself. In an era suffocating under synthetic waste, this ancient crop emerges as our smartest future. Born from the earth, returning to the earth. This is the ultimate loop of a truly circular economy,